This video is for beginners who are looking to start their own AI automation agency but don't know what to offer to their clients. I know this can be overwhelming at AI automation business model and have no clue where to start and what kind of services you can offer to businesses to get your first clients. In this video, I will share what I offer to my clients so you can just literally copy and paste everything what I do and offer this for your clients. With all of this, you will have a clear value proposition for businesses and get your first client much faster. I will show top 3 services what sells best for my clients so you can literally copy and paste everything and offer to your client. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sviat Terletskyi. I was a CEO at 23 in the software development company with years of software development experience, offering and creating tons of different tools for business to automate their processes. Now I started a cool company called AIAA. We analyze companies from top to bottom and offer AI automation, custom trained chatbots, and advanced AI optimization and help businesses get better. The first offer will be that really makes a difference in the business world. It's all about making invoices and contracts easier to manage. To help you better understand, let me share my experience to solving clients' pain point. This is a big company we worked with. They had many invoices and contracts coming from different providers. It was a mountain of paperwork, and the manager has to manually upload the invoices and contracts to their system. After uploading, they have to manually type all invoice details, such as invoice number, who sent, the date, total, and so on. This was a huge amount of work. That's where our AI offer comes in. If you want AI optimization for your business, please contact us in Lightside AI. If you want to schedule a consulting meeting with me about your AI automation agency, find the link in the description. And I'm giving away first 3 meeting sessions. We use tool Zapier and Mendy OCR to automate this task. These two are magic tools that help to read invoice and put all the necessary data in the file system or other CRM what clients uses. And manager didn't have to do this manual work. And in total, it saved for client over 5 hours per week, what is insane. This solution changed the way how company works. After we integrated our solution, the manager has more time to focus on their main tasks. And this is power of our first AI offer. So it takes task to manage all the invoices and make sure there is no manual work. But remember, setting something like this will take some while to learn and practice. So don't worry, it will take for you some while to learn, but you will make it. And we're moving to next offer. This offer is cool one. This is about creating a chatbot for helping HR or human resource to do their job faster. HR's job is to make sure the team is happy. Also, it makes sure that onboarding new developer or new teammates is smooth and easy, and same thing for offboarding. When someone is fired or something like this, also it makes sure that everything is fine. Now just imagine how hard it is for new team member to join the team where there is another company policy and another people and another, everything is different. And what if you have a helper that helps you to understand everything what's going on in the company? That's where our chatbots come in. We worked with the company to help their HR team, and bot was trained using their own company's data. In this way, it's knew everything about company, everything what comes in internally. And also it could increase their database when someone asks the question and chatbot cannot answer it. So it creates a ticket for HR team, and then HR team fills the data, and then chatbot is able to answer this question. So it's like having a friend in the company that helps you to onboard. As I said, this chatbot lived in Slack. This app is about chatting and calling within the team to each other. At any time team member joins the channel, chatbot is able to answer all his questions. It explains all of the rules in the company, explained where things are located, how office works, and so on. It's like having a guide on your first day in new school. And the most important thing that HR team loved it. They could focus on the other aspect of their work because chatbot could take the responsibility of onboarding, or at least 80% of responsibility of onboarding new members. And the new members also love it. They have feeling that they're welcomed, and they have fewer questions. This offer is very awesome, and you can take this for your service you offer to clients. It makes the job of HR much easier. It helps HR teams and new mates to feel in the company much more better. And remember, practice, practice, practice. And after some iteration, it will be much easier for you to do this. And let's move to our next offer. This offer will be helping sales team. For this offer, we used, of course, Zapier and Quick Scraper plus LinkedIn to scrape data for leads to help our salesmen to prepare better personalized email. After Zapier scrapes data, we use this data to prepare drafts for salespeople to do follow-ups to make these emails much personalized, what increase conversion rate. And after bot creates the draft in the email, a salesperson can review it, make little tweaks, and then submit. It increases productivity for all team. It's like having a helper who knows a lot about the lead and always starts the follow-up email for you. This new system helps sales team a lot. Sales team has now much more time to talk to clients and sell more things, what this actually is made for. They don't have to spend time to search in the browser about the lead or something. AI chatbot will do everything for him. They don't have to spend a lot of time on surfing in the internet to search information about the lead and create personalized email. And this brought very big impact to the business and whole team. And remember again, practice, 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 because this is kind of complicated, but you will get it through iterations. And now we have bonus. This offer is also for sales team, but this is about phone calls. Our AI automation will help to summarize calls. Very often, salespeople have to spend a lot of time on writing summaries of each call they have done. We integrated AI automation solutions that helps salespeople to not do this and focus on the right task what they have to do. So how this works? After a salesman is done with whether it's phone call or Zoom call, doesn't matter, Zapier automatically triggers and download all the audio, summarize it, and then adds the ticket with the correct template, everything is accurate. And the very big issue we solve it first is time, and second is that templating, because very often business have a very big sales team. Each of them are using like freestyle of summarizing and so on, and they have to spend quite a lot of time on summarizing this. Sometimes they forget and they have to go through recorded video or audio and listen again and leave nice summary. Here we have. After we integrated the solution for business, salespeople are focused on their main task, what is selling. It's like having a helper that summarizes everything for you and you just review and make sure it's accurate enough. And I have to warn you, this is the hardest offer I ever made. Quite hard to integrate. It's hard. The hardest part is connecting all of these tools like client CRM, also AI tool from transferring speech to text. After this, we integrate ChatGPT. And after this, we again integrate it to CRM, so we live in Node. If you want me to make a video guide about how I did it actually, so I can share template, write a comment to me, give it a like, and if I see there is a lot of interest on this, I will create another video episode for this. Last one was hard, isn't it? Offering these amazing AI automation services, it's not like a walk in the park. It can be really tough at the first and the seconds and even the thirds. To be able to offer these services, I had to be able to know all of the technical aspects and also how business works. And even if you know all about this, every single business is unique. So you need to learn new things all the time for every new client. And that's okay. This is the part of the work that makes job awesome. For example, let's talk about first offer, which is invoices and contracts. You need to know how to use these tools like Zapier, and OCR. But it's not all. You also need to know how company system works. What's the format of their invoices and contracts, because every invoice can be different structure and your bot has to know how to adapt and read all of this data. Where does it store these invoices and contracts? And you have to ask these questions and find the answers. And then the work itself can be tough. You have to set up the tools, test things, fix them, optimize them. Also, very important thing that you have to calculate pricing for all tools you use, because this affects your income. And very important, you have to make sure that you're not messing up the company's data, because you are handling a lot of company's data, what is the most important for and this is a lot of responsibility. Just keep learning, practice, and keep pushing. And don't be scared of the issues and problems, because every problem you solve make you better. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger. As you're getting better and stronger, you will be available to help the companies in the way you cannot even imagine right now. And let me share some tips what I do, and hopefully it will help for you. First of all is learning. You have to book blocks in your calendar for 2 hours a day for learning. Start with Zapier, then then everything, and practice. Don't be scared to make mistakes. You're learning. Next is start a pet project. Try automating something for yourself. It may be your emails, bills, or something else. It will give you the chance to learn everything and make sure that you will not fail in the real project. Next tip is don't rush to integrate these offers for your business, because all of them are pretty complicated and you have to try for yourself to do this few times. Remember, you're dealing with the most important things in the business is their data, and you cannot fail with this. You have to be sure that you can do this right. Take your time, learn well, and practice a lot.